everyone, it's Lynn from Contented Crafts. Welcome to my channel. Today I'd love to share two things with you, and the first thing is some wonderful happy mail all the way from America. So when I arrived home today, this was waiting for me. I'm going to share it with you all, and I will pop this on for tomorrow, the 1st of April. So this is from the lovely Gina at Perfectly Imperfect Junk Journals, and look at this gorgeous envelope. This looks like Gina's handmade the envelope. This is the back of it, so I'm not turning it around as it's got personal information on the front. So what I'll do is I'm just going to open the envelope off camera, and then I'll pop back on and show you what's inside. Inside is this beautiful, cute card. How lovely is that? I love this. He's so cute. I love it. The lovely little bunny there. So Gina has created this on a lovely leafy paper, and it looks like she has either used a die cut to make a lovely edge on the card, or it could be a border, a punch. But how cute is he? And then the paper is double-sided, and then inside, look at this. Wow, how wonderful is this? I did see Gina make these on her channel. Absolutely stunning. So first of all, through the card, we've got some lovely washi tape down this side of the card, and then this lovely little piece of washi tape on the other side, and then the card is the same pattern on the inside, so it's a double-sided piece of card. I'm just going to flip over to the back first, and then just carry that all the way through to the back of the card, the lovely leafy paper, and another piece of the green washi tape. And wow, look at these. So I'll just read the card first of all. It says, cheerful smiles, a hug or two, happy thoughts are wished for you. Oh, that's lovely, Gina. Thank you so much. Hi, Lynn. I just want to send you a little card and wish you and your family a wonderful Easter celebration. With love, Gina. Oh, Gina, thank you so much. And then look at this wonderful decoration inside. So these are Gina's full frosted glass inserts. So she made these from napkins, and then she's popped wire around the outside and then twisted it here beautifully at the top. How wonderful is that? It's absolutely gorgeous, Gina. So that will hang up in my craft room. It's so pretty. I love it. Really love it. So yeah, thank you for those beautiful things, Gina. Greatly appreciated. The next thing I want to share is the draw for my Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge. So this is a monthly challenge hosted by me. Anyone is welcome to join in. I would really love it if you could join in and have some fun using up your scraps of paper and card and turn them into strips and create something rather wonderful. At the end of the month, I pop everyone who has taken part into a draw and then choose a winner. So onto my draw. So I had 8 people enter into my challenge this month. They were Jenny's Crafty Corner, Christine's Cards and Things, Celia Hitchman, Margaret Flaxman, Andrea the Cumbrian Crafter, Jenny Ginger Ninja Crafts, Sabine Crosskeys Crafts and Anne Lynn. Now, two of the ladies, Celia Hitchman and Margaret Flaxman, don't have a YouTube channel. So what they do each month is send me their makes and I pop them up onto my community post. So if you haven't seen Margaret and Celia's makes, do pop over and check out my community post and you will see their makes on there. And if you could, leave a little comment and give them a thumbs up. That would be really, really great. I've loved seeing everyone's makes this month. They were absolutely stunning. Well done to you all, and thank you ever so much for joining into my little challenge. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to draw the winners. So on to my draw. So this time around, I have got this little tin and I've popped everyone's name inside. Now, some of the ladies who have entered did two things this month, so I've popped their names in twice to my little drawer. So I'm going to pop my lid over, give the tin a good shake around. Now this month is March and it is 3 winners I've to choose this time around. So here we go. So I'm going to pop the lid off and I'm just going to take the first winner out. So the first winner is Margaret Flaxman. Well done, Margaret. Thank you for joining in. I'm just going to pop the lid back over and give it another shake and just pop that there. And the second winner is Celia Hitchman. Well done, Celia. And for my third winner, it is, let me see who we've got here. Anne Lynn, Zenfully Crafty. Well done, Anne. So there we go. We have our 3 winners there. So well done to everyone. Celia and Anne, I don't have your addresses. I'm sure I've got yours, Margaret, but I don't have Anne and Celia's. So could you email me with your addresses, please? Thank you so much. So if you would like to join into my challenge, all you will need to do is use the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips and tag me in at Contenter Crafts. You can post your videos anytime in the month. If you don't have YouTube, you can email me with your makes and I will pop them up onto my community post, and anyone is welcome to join in. It is open UK and internationally, and the more people who join, that will be absolutely wonderful. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Thank you again to Gina, and congratulations to my 3 lovely winners. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks ever so much for joining me. I will be back soon. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take good care. See you soon and bye-bye for now.